Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Sony Xperia 10.4 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is right here, and that's the cold speaker. The second is at the bottom, right here, also on the screen, and that's our main speaker. Now to determine if it's a stereo or mono, if the sound comes from both of the speakers, that means it's stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one of them, that means it's a mono speaker. So now let's pick up this phone, try playing some music and cover the speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from both of the sources. So clearly the sound is coming only from bottom speaker, and that means it's a mono speaker. Let's try that again. Yes, the sound is coming only from a bottom speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.